Hello Unyo fans, it's your pool pals Matt and Rob, and today we are discussing how to install an in-ground pool liner.
We'll presume that you've already measured, ordered, and received your new in-ground liner. This video will cover draining the pool, removing the old liner, and installing a new one.
Generally, only normal household materials and tools are required for installation. This includes screwdrivers, a utility knife, garden hose, broom, duct tape, and a shop vac. We also recommend getting a sump pump to help drain the pool.
And that just so happens to be our first step, draining. If your sand or DE filter has a multi-port valve, set it to waste to begin draining your pool. Before turning on your pool pump, set your valves to only pull from your main drain.
Cartridge filters like the one on this pool do not have drain settings. If your system does not have a dedicated drain or you want to speed up the process, rent a sump pump from a local hardware store.
Once draining is complete, the next step is to remove faceplates and gaskets from the skimmer, light, return fittings, and main drain. Don't forget to remove the step seal strips to allow the old liner to be removed completely.
Using a utility knife, cut the liner in 3 to 4 foot sections across the width of the pool. This will help make removal and disposal of the old liner easier. After the old liner has been removed, check the pool bottom for any damage and make any necessary repairs.
During our installation, we discovered cracks in the concrete floor. This liner install was in South Florida and next to a canal. The water table was high and this caused water to seep through these hairline cracks. We used hydraulic water stop cement in order to patch the leaks.
Once repairs are made, make sure the pool bottom is smooth and swept clean. If you have a sand bottom, use caution not to leave footprints. If you purchase new wall foam, now would be the time to install using a spray-on adhesive.
Next, place the liner carton at the deep end of the pool. Note the direction arrows and the instructions on the carton. This will ensure that the liner will be in the proper position to unfold and avoid any unnecessary adjustments of the liner on the deck. Unroll the liner across the width of the deep end. At this point, have 2 people take the shallow end corners and walk the liner to the shallow end of the pool. Take care to avoid dragging the liner on the pool deck or across the pool floor.
Whilst on the deck, have 2 or more people begin inserting the liner bead into the bead receiver by hand. Begin at the deep end corners. Once the corners are set, begin to make your way around the pool. Do not use sharp objects or tools to insert the bead.
Gently pull the liner in position so that the bottom sits correctly into the pool basin. The bottom should lie flat without any excessive rolls.
Now you can begin forming the liner into the pool shell. When the liner is in position, untuck approximately 5 inches of the bead to insert the shop vac hose. Insert the hose until it is a few inches from the bottom of the sidewall. Seal the liner around the hose with duct tape. The top of the skimmer must be sealed as well to prevent air leakage when the liner is being drawn into place.
Now flip the switch on the vacuum. This process of sealing the liner to the shell takes about 20 to 30 minutes.
Once the liner is in place, start adding water into the deep end with a garden hose. Leave the vacuum on until there's 12 inches of water in the shallow end. When the water level in the pool is 3 to 6 inches below the pool light niche, skimmer and return jets begin installing the faceplates.
Next, reinstall the seal strips and cut the liner around the inside of the step section. Once this is completed, you can continue to fill the pool completely to the appropriate level.
That concludes the basics for installing an in-ground pool liner. If you have any questions regarding this topic, leave a comment down below and don't forget to visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks for watching.